Hello, welcome back to my channel, Pamela's Paper Passion. I'm Pamela, and I am going to do another single page layout. And this is the photo I'm going to do the layout with. There's my husband, Tony, my granddaughter, myself, and my other two granddaughters. So this picture is going to be scrapbooked. Sometimes I just start building a piece at a time. Other times I like building a whole section and putting it on a background to make a big section of the layout. That I've got that section done, I think I'm going to take some of this paper and I'm going to make me some embellishments with it. Okay, I went and punched some embellishments out and made some embellishments. The first one I made was this one, and I absolutely love this punch. This is a small one, and I have a medium one, and I have a large one. And this is the punch. It's not a punch, it's a die. I'm sorry. There's the die, and this is the top of the bow. And you just take this little long thing right here and it wraps around the bow. And I usually use my tweezers and hold this together until it dries. So anyways, I use those. And for these things, I've got several of them. I actually only have 4 dies for these. And I will link some of these dies in the description box. And I've loved these. I can use them for so many things. But I really like to use them with glitter. And then use them with a good corresponding color, like black. If you're using gold, it just seems to me like you gotta use black. So I am going to start putting these together. The embellishments. I already put this one together over here. I put around this dot circle, and I punched it out, and I put the bow, and then I used a piece of sorry about that. I used a piece of dimensional tape and popped that up. And now I'm over here, and I popped out these two with my punch. And I think I'm going to use that one there and that one there. And put this one on top. And then I'm going to take this one, put it on top of this black, because boy, it makes that gold pop. And I'm going to put it down here. And I might use a little black one here to put my bow on. Or I may just put my bow on that. I'm not really sure yet. But I think I'm going to put my bow on this one up here. So, I told you that I was going to show you some of the embellishments that I've been making. And these are all with scraps. This is just... And I try to make 3 similar so I could use them on the same layout. And I don't want them to be perfect, exactly the same, but these kind of turned out exactly the same, or pretty much exactly the same. I try to use the same colors, but so those will go into my purple embellishments. And then I did this one. Oh, it's upside down. And this one will probably go in my gold embellishments. And then there's this one. And these are just really, really simple. And this one, I got me some charms, and I got me some, I just punched an eyelet through there and attached my little tassel and my little charm. And this one is a dragon. But I think it turned out so pretty. And then this one here, whoops, this one here, this came with a paper pad, and I cut it out, you see, single side, so I thought, well, shoot, I'll just decorate it up, and it could become a purple embellishment. But these are, I mean, there's just all different kinds. I use my punches, I use my dies, I use my little words, just all different kinds. I like this one here. This one is 2 hearts on the sides and then one in the middle. I like these two. These are really, I thought they were really pretty. But I had bought a bunch of these, you know, Prima flowers. So I had a whole bunch of those. And so I'm able to use some of the stuff that I had bought and just make my own embellishments. And then this, well, I took some of my embellishments that I bought to make these little bigger. But I really, really like those black and white ones. This one right here. Those are so pretty. This one I loved. I like that. I used my lace to go to the top, and then I used a flower, like it's a chipboard flower, and then just put a couple tails on it and slap a word on it, and it's done. But these, when I come up here and I want to do something, but I don't want to start a scrapbook layout, this is what I will sit and do. And this one turned out so pretty. I love it. Oh, it's upside down. But I thought it had a word on it. I might have to put a word on it. So, anyways, this is what I sit and do if I don't want to just scrapbook. But anyways, so I will link these punches, or dies, they're not punches, these dies down below in my description box. And I think that's about it. Oh, and of course I'll link these little bows. I love these little bows. They're kind of, these size is kind of tedious to make. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start putting these things down and finishing this layout. Okay. My glue doesn't want to come out. This always clogs up. And it's got this rusty pin in it. Let me see if I can get something out of this. Okay. Look at that. I can't get anything out of that. Okay. Oh, whoa. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, this pen won't go in. Well, you know what? I have another one here. We'll see if this one works. Okay, I'm going to glue this. Oh, let me go ahead and finish this one. Look at that. Okay. None of my glues. I'm going to go ahead. No. Well, I finally took my glue apart, And I just used it like this so I could get this layout finished. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little dab of glue. I've debated where to put this. I think I'm going to just go ahead and put it in the center. Excuse me. Boy, I don't know about y'all, but I have been suffering from allergies, and I don't know why. I don't know what's in the air that's causing this problem, but I sure wish it'd go away. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this there. I'm going to just put this. And just put this right here. Okay. And then I'm going to put this. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I love making embellishments. I take my stickers and my bows and all my stuff and embellish my stickers. I embellish when I take a lot of stuff like little bitty flowers and little bows, and then I use them to help decorate my pages. Now, I don't know which is the funner part, making the embellishments or buying more scrapbook stuff, or just like I did, made a one-page layout. Let me scroll down so you can see the whole thing. Okay, there it is. And I think I'm going to just add some journaling, either right here or right here. And I made me some little notebook paper. And I think I might put it over here. And I might back it with the black. You can see I'll back this with the black. And it'll stand out also. So, anyways, that's what I'm planning on doing. And I'll also put the date on it. And call this a finished layout. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching my video. If you could please subscribe, like, and share my video. And hit that notification. So, I'm hoping to be back full time. Unless I lose my voice again. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.